Hi, first graders. This week we have our first math test online, and I wanted to show you how we're going to access it. So, just for this video, I want to show you this is going to be in a different my test Google Classroom that I use to test things out before I give them to you. So, what you'll see this week in our Google Classroom is an assignment, and it says a new assignment, Pearson Realize Unit 6 test. So this is your math test. You're going to click it, and then here's the assignment. We're going to take the test by clicking here. I can wait, or I can click Take Me There Now. So I'm going to do that. Then it's going to ask you to sign into your Google account. I'm using this account. You're going to scroll to the bottom here when this window comes up, and you're going to click Allow. All right, and then it says your account's almost ready. Choose your language. It's already set for English, so you don't need to change it here. You get to pick one of these cool profile icons, a background image for your homepage if you want. I'm just going to go to the bottom to Let's Go. Okay, so here is my own account, this in math. So this is the math website, and if you look down here, it says assigned work, and here's the Unit 6 test. So I'm going to click this. Oh, and it also tells me the start date and when it's due. You guys will have more than a day. This is just my test run. Okay, and then it says Unit 6 test, and if you click up here, it'll read this to you. So let's try it.
Answer each question carefully. After you submit your test, you won't be able to change your answers.
Okay, so at the very end of the test, once you click submit, you cannot change it. So I'm going to click start. And then down here at the bottom, it shows how many questions. So there's 12 questions, and we are on question 1. And what's nice is this test will read all the questions to you. So I'm going to click this arrow.
Answer the following question about the data. How many students chose ride a bike as their favorite activity? Enter your answer in the box.
Okay, so I'll even give you guys this as a freebie, so we'll do this one together. So it's asking how many students ride their bike as their favorite activity. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to click this box, and then I'm going to type the number 5. Okay, when I'm finished, I'm going to click down here at the next button. Okay, now if you look down here, it shows question 2 of 12. So I know that I'm on number 2, and I have 10 more to do after this. Again, if you click this arrow, it'll read it to you. This particular question, you're going to choose a number instead of typing one in. So you're going to use the drop-down box. You're going to keep clicking next. Now it will let you skip one, so you'll probably want to click this review progress button, and it shows all the questions, and it tells you if you answered them or not. Let's say I'm on number 3. Oh no, I forgot to do number 2. I can click this view question, and it'll take me back, and I can go back and choose my answers and keep clicking next. So I'm going to go to question 12, the end of the test. I'm going to click review my progress before I submit it. We're going to pretend all these say answered. And then if you look at the bottom here, it says submit test. That means turn it in. So you're going to click this box right here. And then it tells you right away what questions you got correct and any ones you missed. So I can say, oh, look, hooray, I got the first one right. And you can go back and view the question if you're like, oh, I'm not sure what I did wrong there. Oops, I went all the way back. But it'll tell you your grade right away. If you did what I did, instead of going back through the button and you accidentally hit here, if you just click your unit test again, because it's already turned in, you can view your score. So this is a great way. It tells you your percentage. Oh, Ms. McCarthy didn't do very well. I got 8%. I only got 1 out of 12. I know you guys will do better. So that's how we're going to take our math test this week. I'm really excited. I think this is going to be a fun new way to take a test, and I can't wait to see how well you guys are doing. All right, take care and best of luck.